What's going on, guys? I wonder if this is going to be a lot cheaper. My phone to the straight auto. It's like very glitchy and blotchy and whatever. Anyways, this has been a long fight for workouts, recipes, meals. I thought I'd take you. I gotta head out and do a few things this afternoon. Tonight, drop a meal prep for folk very deeply on the off-season growth phase. Something that I really want to focus on this time. Last prep off-season was a bit of a train wreck, to be honest. I accepted it. I had things that were out of my control, and I mean, that stuff happens. Oh, by the way, my signature series hoodie turned out pretty wild. Oh, vibes. Building a name, building the community, bringing people on board, coaching, helping others, encouraging others, inspiring others means a lot to me. So it's a lot of work, but it's not work if you enjoy it, if you love it, if you endure it, and be present in everything that you build with something in life, no matter what it is. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on here quick and share some of my thoughts and how things are going. It's I gotta give my hats off to a lot of people who start up businesses, no matter what the business is. It's a lot for sure, and some of it is legit work. Some of it's enjoyable, some of it's you got to do what you got to do. So, and that's okay. That's why I did it. And right from the so I'm just headed. I got a few things at the gym, some some things for the house, some things for field prep. So doing a YouTube video with that. I gotta do. It's been a while. I gotta do a workout session. I'm gonna drop one tomorrow. Had a little impingement the other day. I was swapped. Every bodybuilder would know this. I've been through a few microwaves in the last 4 years. I mean, both of them weren't brand new. So I went up to Canadian Tire the other night and had to buy a brand new microwave. So I was pulling the other one off of the platform, and I don't know, I was reaching for the plug and I tweaked my neck. So we're just doing some active recovery. I'm heading to Good Life. We're going to do some foam rolling, some active recovery, some stretches, mobility. We're going to address that impingement. We'll take care of it, address it right away so I can continue on. So it's not bad, but flared up last night pretty bad. I got heat on it first thing this morning. Beanbag heating pad, put in the microwave for 2 minutes or a minute and a half. So we got more movement. It's getting there. Diaz aggravate that more. I did shoulder trap. That's how I do with it. And careful with my movements. But you never know. It's part of the process. Every athlete knows what happens. So, we got to practice safe training, effective training. So, anyways, yeah, I just wanted to jump on here quick and give you guys a little update. Iron Life Gym 2.0. Some very, how do you say, very amazing fling. Some nice little details, a nice touch to the gym, of course. Working with the space that I have, whatever square footage I have there is probably, 800 square feet. But like I said, any great business will dream the vision, and from here, I'm going to do my best to give it everything I have progress forward to do it properly. No shortcuts, no corners. Much like our training and much like our fitness and our nutrition, all of that. We don't cut corners around here at Iron Life Gym. We don't take shortcuts. We do things proper. We do things right. So, and you know what? Laying your late knowing that you could, and you're all. I'm forever grateful that I started this, and I'm grateful that I've reached out to the community, doing my best, learn everything, all that. There's a lot to it, so I've learned a lot on my own, and it's I'm thankful for this, all of this. So, on that note, I'll see you guys soon, and I look forward to that. It's getting a little easier being on camera, so sometimes I think because there's a purpose and a brand behind it, it's much more meaningful to me, and that's when you know something feels right, and that's what to do all this. Iron Life Gym is just beginning. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys tonight. Love and peace. Iron Life love. Iron Life is the way and the only way. Right from the heart, guys. All right. I need some mobility work, a nice shower and sauna, get some things, and I'll be back home. Guys, soon.